All right, we have inequality, um, and the shaded region shown represent the solution to which inequality. Um, all right, so this is this inequality. So the first step is we want to find the equation of this line, the equation of this dotted line, and the equation of this dotted line, the intercept is +1. So the y-intercept is +1. And then the slope of this line, you use this point, right? Compare that to this point right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Rise over run, rise over run. A rise of 4 unit, run is 1 unit. So rise over run is going to be 4, and it's downward sloping. So the slope is going to be -4. All right, the slope of this line is -4. So, and the equation for that dotted line using slope intercept form is y equals -4x plus 1. Well, we rewrite this as y equals 1 minus 4x, right? So that's the equation of dotted line. Now, then the second step is we need to figure out what is this inequality, the direction of that inequality. And the direction of, is that like less than or less than this, or is it greater than this? Now, how do we test this? We're going to plug in the origin, x equals 0, y equals 0. So y equals 0, this is 0. When x equals 0, this is like minus 4 times 0. So it's 1 minus 4 times 0 is 0. So 0 compared to 1. Now, notice that the graph, of course, we know 1 is greater than 0. But looking at the graph, right, it does not include the point of origin. So what does that mean? That means when we plug in this 0, 0 into that inequality, the inequality is not true, right? And therefore, what we need is when we plug in x equals 0, y equals 0, the inequality is not true. And therefore, we need the direction of inequality to be 0 greater than 1, because that is not true. And we know the inequality does not hold because it is shaded the other side. It does not, the shaded region does not include this point. And that's how we determine the direction of the inequality. And therefore, we can now put this back into this. We know it's y greater than 1 minus 4x. Right? So that is the answer. And the answer here, 1 minus y greater than 1 minus 4x. Well, I think it's somewhere below here, right? So none of these A, B, C is the answer. Y greater than 1 minus 4x, 1 minus 4x, but this the inequality here, choice B is wrong. It needs to be greater than. So, all right, so you pick the correct one. It's cut off somewhere.